In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to spell check in Adobe Express. Let's start inside Adobe Express. Open the app on your device or head to the website in your browser so you're ready to work. On the home screen, look for the option to start a new design. This creates a fresh canvas and keeps your spell check process clean and focused on the text you're about to add. Next, choose an orientation that fits your project. Picking a square, portrait, or landscape layout now helps you visualize how much text will comfortably fit and whether you'll need short headlines or longer blocks of copy. With your canvas ready, open the text tools. You'll see an option to add your text. Go ahead and select that, then type or paste the words you want to proof. Don't worry about fonts and styling yet. It's easier to check spelling first, then format afterward. Once your text is in, highlight all of it. You can drag over the text or use a quick select all command. Right-click the selection and choose copy. Keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl or CMD+C also work well and save time when you're iterating. Now switch to your browser and search for ChatGPT. Open it, start a new chat, and click into the message box. Paste the text you copied from Adobe Express. In the prompt, clearly ask for a spelling check. A helpful prompt is, please check the spelling only and return the corrected text without changing tone or meaning. This keeps the focus strictly on spelling, so your voice and word choices remain intact. Send your request and wait for the corrected result. When the response appears, skim it to confirm it looks the same as your original content, just with spelling fixes. Then copy the corrected text from the chat. Head back to Adobe Express and click into the text box you created earlier. Paste the corrected text to replace the original. If formatting shifts a little, you can quickly reapply your chosen font, size, or alignment. It's a normal part of moving text between tools. Before you finalize, read it once more to ensure brand names, intentional stylizations, or regional spellings are exactly how you want them. That's the entire workflow. Create your design, add your text, copy it out, use ChatGPT to catch spelling mistakes, and paste the corrected version back into your project. With this method, you get fast, reliable spell checking while keeping your creative process in Adobe Express smooth and efficient.